Hi everyone, in this video I'm explaining a tip about form inputs in HTML. By default, if you have the radio button, checkbox, range slider, we have this blue color theme. But if you want to change it to the custom color, what you have to do is you have to take that element in the style tag. Here input element, we have to use the property named as accent color. So if I specify accent color red means all that theme will change to red color. By default, it will be blue color, but we can change it to the custom color by using this. Thank you for watching.